Hi public, my name is Virgil Guzman and I would like to inform you about voters' education. Firstly, your voice matters. Your vote counts. Elections shape the future of our community, our country, and the lives of any person you care about. But to make a difference, you need to be informed. Firstly, making it help citizens understand candidates, policies, and the electoral process, ensuring they make well-informed choices during elections. Next is increase voter turnout. Educating voters about their rights and importance of voting encourages greater participation in the democratic process, leading to more representative elections. Next is strengthening democracy. A well-educated electorate holds elected officials accountable, contributing to more transparent and effective governance. After that, voters' education fosters a sense of civic duty, empowering individuals to engage in the democratic process and positively impact their communities. Reducing misinformation, it combats misinformation and ensures voters make decisions based on facts and not rumors or even manipulation. And for those reasons, promoting voter education is a vital for a healthy democracy. When voters are informed, they make better decisions that reflect their values and needs. By empowering individuals with the knowledge to vote thoughtfully, we can build a stronger and more inclusive democracy, ensuring that the future is shaped by the collective wisdom of uninformed individuals and electors.